Hi, welcome back on the With Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to add a Google account in your Samsung Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to settings here and search for the option which is accounts and backup here. So there is a manage account here on the app and there you have plus, so add account and choose the Google option. Yeah, that's right. Now you have to log in your existing account of Google, or you can create account if you don't have any. So in this case, I will add my account here and try to log in it. Yeah, I will enter my password, but you didn't see that. Okay, I have placed the password. So yes, I'm in, or skip, whatever you want. In this case, I will don't turn on. I agree. And that's it. You will be add your account Google into your phone. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.